Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text look 3D in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make text look 3D, go to the home menu, select the new slide option and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the word art drop down menu. Now I am select the word art. Then write anything. Now I am write my text. Then select the text and go to the shape format menu. Then select the text fill option, or you can change the text effect. Select the shadow option and add more than style or shadow. Then select the reflection option and add the reflection. You can add another transform option. You can change the fill color. Select the shape fill and change the color. Then go to the home menu and increase the font size. Now we can see we make a text look like 3D easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.